Hi everybody, this is Mark from PondAlgaeSolutions.com with a quick video on the Airmax Koi Air 1 pond aerator. We'll talk about some features, specifications, and some tips on how to use it best in your pond. The Airmax Koi Air 1 is great for ponds from around 2,000 gallons up to 8,000 gallons. It uses a very quiet and efficient pump with a single 2-tube diffuser that sits on a weighted plate at the bottom of the pond. We use this aerator in both summer and winter months to protect fish, and particularly in summer it can help with water quality issues and possibly help keep the pond cleaner. It works to a depth of up to 4 feet deep, which can accommodate many of these ponds. If you need a deeper working pond aerator, be sure to check out the Aquascape Pro 60 that's also on our site, which has a working depth of up to 10 feet. Some specifications again for the Airmax Koi Air 1 include coverage for ponds from 2,000 to 8,000 gallons, works to a max depth of 4 feet. It produces 0.8 CFMs of air. It is intended not as a strong, powerful bubbler, but a very efficient aeration tool for adding a subtle circulation and a good amount of air and oxygen into the pond, but it's not going to be a very powerful, overwhelming circulatory device, and in most of these small ponds you really don't need that anyway. Wattage is 17 watts, voltage is 115. It will run off a standard 110 volt outlet. 25 feet of weighted airline are included with the kit, as well as the single diffuser that we mentioned before. Operational cost is rated at less than $1 per month, and the power cord length is 6 feet. This small pond aerator, like all of our aerators, all of our small pond aerators, comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Here's some tips on using the Koi Air 1 with your pond. Like many of these small pond compressors, this one will require some type of weather protection from rain and other elements. We often will suggest use of one of our faux rock covers, which is ventilated and works very well with this particular system. It also helps with landscaping appearance and so forth. You can also place this device in a small outbuilding or shed if you have one nearby the pond, and that will work great too. If air is lost or simply starts to drop, this is a diaphragm-based compressor, and the diaphragm is easily replaced. They're generally a plug-and-play type mechanism where you take the old one out and replace it with the new one. This is about the only standard maintenance that you're going to have to do over time with these things, and but the repair is easy and done on site, and we have replacement kits available should you ever need that. But look for a loss or a drop in air pressure to indicate that the diaphragm is about ready to be replaced. In the summer months, we place this single diffuser in deeper water. That provides better coverage throughout the pond from top to bottom. In the winter, if our main goal is to help with ice control, we'll often move the diffuser to a shallower position in the pond, off center, and this will usually help keep a spot open in the ice, which is really all you need to allow good air in and to allow the bad gases out. So we hope this helps you with understanding the Airmax Koi Air 1 aerator a little bit better. If you have additional questions, contact us at PondAlgaeSolutions.com for more.